war on drugs per se is a very noble intention, worthy, Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, of our support, yung war on drugs. Importante lang talaga nakikita natin yung tamang implementasyon at makita din natin, Mr. President, yung root cause of the problem. And that's the main reason why we are all here today. And partly, Mr. President, may I just put also into the record the importance of emphasizing the need to build the capacity of our law enforcement agencies. And I have been consistent with that since 2016, Mr. President, when I became a member of this August Chamber, for our enforcement agencies to uphold human rights as a core part of their operations and training. And number two, we have been pushing for independent and impartial internal affairs service to thoroughly investigate police misconduct and